Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of English language. Today we are going to read about your chapter number 7 that is conjunction. Conjunction means the joining words. There are the three types of the conjunction: a coordinating conjunction, then you will see correlative conjunction, and then we have subordinating conjunction. Now we will start with the exercise A of coordinating conjunction. Mirza Ghalib is the most famous and influential poet. It was getting dark, so I worked. Then we complained to the manager about the dirty linen, but in vain. Dhwani and Sia. Then I could the bookworm, nor could I could not get to a book at the history of art at the bookworm, nor could I get at a Bucharus. Then the seventh one, there is no electric supply, so we can't watch TV. The farmers in these hills grow apples and walnuts. Then do you take milk and sugar in tea? Cash cannot be deposited today as the cashier is on leave. The taxi drivers are on the strike today, so you will. Now, correlative conjunctions are the words like either or, neither nor, not only but also, hardly when, both and, so that, scarcely when, no sooner than, rather than, though yet, whether or. So these are all the correlative conjunction. Now we have to join the sentences here. First one, the sentence will start with the either or. So we will write like this: either Sunita or either Sunita or Swayam will be interviewing the chief ministers, and cut this rather sentence. Second one is Pragya came in from work. Her pet dog Sultan presented her from a walk to a park. So we will write like this: no sooner Pragya, no sooner Pragya came from her work than her dog Sultan began to pester than her. Mrs. Malini started making puris. Hardly had. We will write here hardly had. Hardly had Mrs. Malini making puris. Her children clamored round for the puris. Then fourth one is neither Jaikrit nor Prakrit will be a part of the exchange program with Sweden, and rest of the sentence I will be cut. Then hardly we had reached the theatre when the tickets were sold out. Then sixth one is would rather than. He would rather than step down from the post of secretary than be a puppet at the hands of the members. Now, seventh one. Meena could join HCL, she could join Infosys. So, either Meena could join HCL or Infosys. Either Meena could join HCL or Infosys. If the guests can be taken to Bukhara restaurant for lunch, they can be taken to Mughal era restaurant for lunch. Either or. Either the guests can be taken to Bukhara restaurant or they can be taken to Mughal era restaurant. Ninth one is Rashi is obeys. She eats a lot of junk food, though Rashi is obese, yet she eat a lot of junk food. Lata does not eat meat, neither or nor. Neither Lata, neither Neither, neither Lata eat meat nor eggs. And last one is Lopa won Miss Congeniality Award. Lopa won the Miss Expressive Award, not only but also. So, not only Lopa won the Miss Congeniality Award, but also Miss Expressive Award. Now move to exercise C. Here fill in the blanks with an subordinating conjunction. First one is there is resort where, where. Second one is you cannot go out to play unless. Shikha has left the job because. Rajan will pick up from the city unless. You must work diligently if. Uma has to go to Canada although. The taxi driver was very patient, although the customer was quite impolite to him. Then Tanya attended a power of yoga class while her daughter is at dance class. Gogo will talk to his mother till. Then Ashima buys grocery from the nearby shop, although Yatin is so unreliable that nobody trusts him. Then can you tell me where I can buy a cranberry? Then Mita was furious, yet Aishwarya had no other option but buy. Then Vanita welcomed the guests and ushered them to the hall. Saurabh did not go to work today because he is not feeling well. Sheetal refused to buy the villa because, or you can say as, it is too close to Elko market. Divya often go to China as She imports a lot of stuff from there. Both Ashima and Devang are performing in the grand finale. Manoj is either, you can either, or you can say neither or not. There are hardly any customers at the mall because, or you can say as it was holiday, the children either walk home or go by van after school. She was injured while she was holidaying at Sri Lanka. All the teachers like Rahul because he is very dedicated. They must leave now or they will miss the train. Shalu likes to read novels, but then we went to the beach at, it was cloudy. Geeta has both read the novel Heidi and watch the movie based on beautiful story. Hardly had our teacher hardly had teachers entered the class. The student began when the class cheered loudly, has neither brushed nor bathed, and then the folk dance not only but also and 23rd is don't carry the water bottle with you as you will not be allowed to carry it into the theater unless, and then last one is I will buy some clothes. And so that's all for today's session. Hope you had understand this chapter. Follow this video and read this chapter. We will meet in our next session with a new topic. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.